Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to find and select italic text in Excel. It might sound simple, but it can be tricky if you don't know the right methods. In this video, we'll cover several techniques, from using find and replace with formatting options to advanced filtering using VBA code. Whether you need to quickly highlight italicized words, replace them, or just analyze your data, this guide will provide you with the tools you need. So before we dive in, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. We release new videos regularly to help you become an Excel master. Alright, let's get started. Screen shows an Excel sheet with some data, some of which is italicized. Okay, so here we have a sample Excel sheet. You can see some of the text is in italics, and some is not. Let's say we want to find and select all the italicized text. Demonstration 1. Find and replace with formatting. The first method, and often the simplest, is using the find and replace functionality with formatting options. 1. Press Ctrl plus F to open the Find and Replace dialog box. 2. Go to the Find tab. 3. Leave the Find What box blank. We're searching for formatting, not specific text. 4. Click on the Format button. If you can't see it, click Options first to expand the window. 5. In the Find Format window, go to the Font tab. 6. Under Font Style, select Italic. 7. Click OK. Now back in the Find and Replace dialog box, click Find All. Excel will list all the cells containing italicized text. You can click on each result to jump to that cell in your spreadsheet. You can also select all the results by pressing Ctrl plus A in the Find and Replace window, thus selecting all cells with italicized text. Demonstration 2, VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, more advanced. Okay, that's pretty useful, but what if you want to, for example, color all the italicized cells? Find and Replace only allows direct navigation to the cell or replacing the text. For more complex tasks, VBA is your friend. Show the Visual Basic Editor. 1. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. 2. In the VBA editor, go to Insert-Module. 3. Now copy and paste the following code into the module. VBA. Sub-highlight italic cells. Dim RNG as range. Dim cell as range. Set RNG equal selection, or specify a range like range, A1, C10. For each cell in RNG, if cell, font, italic equals true then cell, interior, color equals RGB, 255, 255, 0, yellow color. End if. Next cell. End sub. Explain the code. Let's break this code down. Asterisk sub highlight italic cells. This line starts the subroutine. Asterisk dim RNG as range. This declares a variable RNG to represent the range we'll be working with. Asterisk dim cell as range. This declares a variable cell to represent each cell within the range. Asterisk set RNG equal selection. This sets the range to whatever cells you've currently selected in Excel. You can change this to a specific range, like range A1 C10, if you prefer. Asterisk for each cell in RNG. This starts a loop that goes through each cell in the specified range. Asterisk if cell, font, italic equals true then, this checks if the font of the current cell is italic. Asterisk cell, interior, color equals RGB, 255, 255, 0. If the font is italic, this line changes the background color of the cell to yellow, RGB, 255, 255, 0, represents yellow. You can change this to any other RGB color code you like. Asterisk end if. This closes the if statement. Asterisk next cell. This moves to the next cell in the range and repeats the loop. Asterisk end sub. This ends the subroutine. Demonstrate the VBA code. 1. Go back to your Excel sheet. 2. Select the range of cells you want to search through. 3. Go back to the VBA editor. 4. Press F5 or click the Run button, the Play button, to execute the code. Show the result in the Excel sheet. Now back in your Excel sheet, You should see all the italicized cells in your selected range are highlighted yellow. Wrap up and call to action. So there you have it. 2 methods for finding and selecting italic text in Excel, using Find and Replace and using VBA. Choose the method that best suits your needs and the complexity of your task. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment below with any questions you have, and subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. We release new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.